Get it off your chest. Say it with your chest, get it off your chest. I got a call this morning from another artist that was on my old podcast 15 years ago. And said, I need to talk to you. And this person happened to be in a 12-step program and they were going through the amends part. And they're like, I'm calling you because I got some things I gotta clear up with you. This is how much stuff you had. Dave, I don't like you. You were mean to me. You made me say things I never wanted to say. You put it out in the public. Get it off. Clear your side of the street. Get it off your chest. It's heavy. How many things do you need to get off your chest today? Well, that remains to be seen. Who here doesn't know shit about bamboo? Bamboo is like a disease. It's like a fungus. It's like a virus. It's like venom. It doesn't stop growing. We know pandas like to eat it. All you need is one of these shitty Crayola, like you could get this at a 99-cent store. And you don't want a dry one. You want a fat, juicy one, fresh out the box. See, it's like a tip, like an A-frame. You start at the bottom and you hold it to the paper like this. You see, if I move it, it looks like that, right? And you go up. This is the ASMR you want to hear. Dot. Dot. Right? That's the cartilage between the spine, right? I'll just do a bunch. You want the bamboo to represent you and your feelings this morning. So how are you feeling? Do you feel like you could see through the bamboo, or are you lost in the bamboo? And if you're an artist or creative type, you have no one to talk to except for Twitter. You sit at home all day and you have thoughts and feelings and nobody wants to hear about it. You don't have any friends, real friends. You probably don't have a boyfriend or girlfriend. You spend a lot of time off and playing video games. You have a lot of dark thoughts and you have a lot of thoughts that aren't true. So what are you saying, Dave? That artists live in a fantasy world? Yeah.
Get it off your chest.
I got a call this morning from another artist that was on my old podcast 15 years ago. Think about that. Over a decade ago. He said, I need to talk to you. And this person happened to be in a 12-step program and they were going through the amends part. And they're like, I'm calling you because I got some things I gotta clear up with you. I really didn't like you for things that you did. And I was like, oh, I thought this was the part where you gotta apologize for the stuff you did. You're gonna yell at me for what I did? This is like, get it off your chest. Say it with your chest, get it off your chest. How many things do you need to get off your chest today? Me? Not that much. I got it all off my chest already. I had my yerba and I just did my fusion cooking show. Bon appetit. This guy, this is how much stuff he had. Dave, I don't like you. You were mean to me. You made me say things I never wanted to say. You put it out in the public. That made other people say things about me. This. See? What are we doing? I could do this all day, all night. Get it off. Clear your side of the street. Get it off your chest. We're not going in. If you went in, it would look weird. This is what it would look like. Gross. We want it to dissipate. It's heavy. So it was a resentment, and I just want to get my side of the street clear and tell you that I've held this resentment. And the thing is, I don't hate you. I love you. And I've been watching your YouTube show, and I feel it's amazing what you're doing, and I want to be part of it. And I was like, are you trying to be on the Choe show right now, bro? Invited. You're all invited.
The Choe show is on Hulu.
You all got a telepathic invite. You're all invited right now. Who's in your bamboo forest? I don't know. Whoever's in my bamboo forest might not be who's in your bamboo forest. Let's do it. Let's kick it. First, we got a ninja star. And then we're going to use the ninja star today as a stencil, right? So there's a circle thing in the middle. You get little ninja eyes. You bring the stencil down a little bit. It's a real dry Sharpie, Dave. As the richest artist in the world, you really don't have very good art supplies. This one I'll just freehand, right? So I don't know who's hiding in your... Well, that ninja's not hiding that good. You didn't really... He's like this. First of all, that's the worst drawn ninja I've ever seen, and he's not drawing that good. Well, think about it! Think about it. Maybe I didn't want to hide forever. Wait. You mean some of the smartest people, like how dumb is that genius that he got caught? How does that, the guy that has the genius level IQ do some such dumb stuff? Because he wanted to get caught! Maybe I didn't want to be hidden forever. Maybe I wanted to be found. Maybe I didn't want you to look so hard for me. Maybe I wanted to make it easy for you. Maybe I wanted to get caught. Maybe I wanted to finally be seen. Do you want to be seen today? Let's chop this bamboo forest down. Lunch break.